Account settings and preferences. So we can control our profile settings, our account settings for our personal settings. To do that, you're going to come up in the upper right hand corner underneath your personal icon. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to Preferences. In Preferences, come on, Preferences, come on. Here we go. In Preferences, we have different categories. We have the general category. In the general category, we have the API, the Applied Programming Interface. That's for scripting and programming. We have Design. This is where we control all of our preferences for design, sculpt, and patching. We have Manufacturing, where we design or we control our behavior of our manufacturing workspace. We have Electrical, preferences for our electronics. We have our Rendering, so this controls any newly created designs. Drawings, these are preferences for any new drawings. And our Simulation and Generative Design. We also have Cloud Credits, so you can keep track of your cloud credits. We have Materials, so these are your physical materials and appearance. And we have our Graphics, basically our graphics display. We have our Network, so how we're controlling network access. We have Data Collection and Use from Autodesk. We have our Unit Value and Display, so we can set our precision and our display of units. And we have our default units, which is very important. And then we can preview features. So we can go through any one of these things. For example, I can come over here to my unit and display value, and I can control all of these particular values. And these are for my account, okay? And at any time I can restore to defaults. So this is sometimes known as options in AutoCAD, for example. But once again, these are our account settings and preferences, and they are found up here in the upper right hand corner underneath your name down here under Preferences. So account settings and preferences.